The best portable travel cribs for toddlers. One of the biggest concerns while traveling with a baby is where they will sleep. So, we have created a list of the best travel cribs for toddlers as they are portable, safe, and make your job easier. These cribs have a compact and foldable design and provide your baby with a good night's rest. Most travel cribs come with a mesh covering, protecting your child from bugs and insects. With various designs, you can explore our list to learn more. Number 1. Guava Family Store Lotus Travel Crib. Lotus Travel Crib is perfect for families traveling with babies and toddlers, as it comes with a backpack carrying case that makes your journey relaxed. This travel crib features a thick pad and soft foam that provides comfortable sleeping space for your baby. This crib is compact and lightweight, making it easy and quick to set up or pack. The breathable and visible fabric mesh has a zipper door on one side to put your baby in and out of the crib without much hassle. This travel crib for toddlers is GreenGuard Gold approved and free from toxic materials. What we like: suitable as a crib or ployard, comfortable mattress, travel-friendly, non-toxic certified, easy to lay down, babies with zipper door, secured with Velcro tabs, easy to set up. What we don't like: have to bend a lot to place your baby, zipper may be noisy. Number 2. Babybjorn Travel Crib. The travel crib from Babybjorn can accommodate children up to 3 years, or until they learn to climb out of it. It is ultralight, weighing 13 pounds, and compact. The spacious crib with a thick, soft mattress is comfortable and safe for playing and sleeping. It has a mesh fabric covering, which is airy and helps you keep an eye on your baby. The crib and mattress fabrics are free from harmful substances, and the crib has a sturdy base that helps prevent wobbling. You can fold the crib in half into its bag and carry it around while traveling. What we like: easy to set up and take down, thicker and cushier mattress, durable, offers stability, safe and non-toxic, removable and machine washable fabric. What we don't like: difficult to place and pick up your baby. Number 3. Ounuo Travel Crib. The Ounuo Travel Crib, made from anti-rust iron tubes and a non-slip base, offers a safe and sturdy design that helps improve stability and prevent tilting. It weighs 16 pounds crib and is easily set up in less than 15 seconds. It comes with a simple button that folds the crib compactly into its bag and lets you effortlessly carry it or pack it inside your car. The crib has a soft yet durable mesh covering that comes with a zipper door and storage pocket. You can be assured of its safety, as it meets all ASTM, CPSIA standards, and uses non-toxic and skin-friendly materials. What we don't like: easily opens and closes, space-saving design, ease of assembly, white and sturdy, convertible from bassinet to playpen, storage facility. What we don't like: lacks good ventilation on the zipper side. Number 4. Baby Delight Go With Me Nod Travel Crib. The portable travel crib from Baby Delight folds up effortlessly and fits into its bag that you can strap on when you're traveling. It is light and is easily set up without any hassle. Made from ultra-breathable and visible mesh fabric, the crib lets you keep an eye on your baby and ensure they have a fresh airflow. To offer your little one a safe and comfortable place to sleep while at home or on travel, the crib comes with a plush and soft mattress. It is suitable for children between 0 and 3 years, or up to 50 pounds. What we like: JPMA certified, used as a playpen and a crib, sleek design and color, compact when folded, easily portable, removable and washable cover. What we don't like: plastic cover of the mattress may be too hard. Number 5. Uniplay Foldable Travel Crib. This travel crib by Uniplay is designed with a spacious room, allowing your little one to play hassle-free. It is suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. An adjustable pole design brings stability to the crib on even surfaces. The simple fold and go design promotes compact folding for easy storage or carrying while traveling. A breathable mesh design ensures see-through and ventilation. Furthermore, the padded waterproof playpen keeps your munchkin safe from rough surfaces. This frame can hold up to 120 pounds weight, making it durable. What we like: lightweight, portable design, easy to assemble, adjustable poles. What we don't like: mesh or see-through fabric may look flimsy. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or want to know the product price, check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our Cole products as it will make your life much easier.